Thank you, Justin, for providing the reference photo of military working dog Katya M228 Patrol Explosive Detection Dog. Justin had this to say about military working dog Katya. I served with Katya from April 2009 through April 2011 while assigned to the 52nd Security Forces Squadron in Germany. We deployed as a team to support various U.S. Army units in Iraq from September 2009 through March 2010. We supported Army MPs, combat engineers, infantry, and a Special Forces team from 10th Special Forces Group. Military working dog Katya is still active duty, but she's approaching 11 years in February of 2018, so she probably is pretty close to retirement. Justin had this to say: Katya is a very sweet dog, alert and protective of me when I handled her, but was able to switch it on and off when it was time to work. Out of the 5 dogs I was assigned to, she's my favorite. Thank you, Justin and military working dog Katya, for your service.